feel like that's what you're supposed to say when you start these things. I really don't know. I've never done this before. Me in my unmade bed, like, this is who I am.
This video is going to take place in my kitchen.
My boyfriend is currently sitting in our living room, which is very close to my kitchen. I'm on video chat with like 10 of his friends, and they are watching a football draft. So there's a lot going on out there. So if you can't hear me at all, I apologize. And for the things that you are going to hear,
Massive amounts of like profanity and things of that nature.
I want to apologize for that as well. However, this is going to be so much fun.
I'm going to show you guys my recipe for fried Oreos.
And they're air fried, so it's minus all the oil. Don't get me wrong though, still terrible for you, still tons of calories. It's like a major like stoner snack. Like, I don't make it all the time, we just like indulge. And if you follow me on Instagram, don't fucking tell anyone that I just made them last night, okay? Thanks. I love using my air fryer. I'm actually the air fryer queen, simply because it is so goddamn easy. Stay tuned, bitch. Also, it takes literally like 2 minutes, so.
Just call me fucking Martha Stewart, baby.
Just less alcoholic. Actually, probably the same amount of alcoholic. This is Stella. Model, look at her winged eyeliner. I don't know if I can get close enough, but she has like longer eyelashes than me. So beautiful. I got my wine and my vitamin C. Locked and loaded. Why'd you look at me like that? I can't zoom on this shit? I'm too pretty for him. Step 1. Step 2. Only 2 ingredients that you literally need. Air fryers are actual witchcraft on earth. Anything you put in it, from frozen chicken nuggets to breaded pickles to pork chops to chicken wings, like, air fryer is it. Please don't sleep. Like this with my horn. Okay, there is a little bit of oil involved, but you're obviously not drudging it in the oil, so you can pretend it's better. We're going to separate the croissants. Pressed it. All you need to do is wrap the Oreos up in the croissants and air fry that shit. Just rolled my hair in it, that's disgusting. So yeah, just make it nice and snug and make sure the bread is all over the Oreo. They're like little Oreo dumplings. Love that. Can you not cry? I don't want to deal with that right now.
Amy doesn't want me to cry.
Are you crying? He's actually crying. Almost done.
Let's go! That's what I'm fucking talking about!
because there's literally nothing in my life I get that excited over, and I think that there's a problem with that. The secret to the air fryer is you have to spray the air fryer, and depending on what you're frying, you're gonna want to spray that too. But for these, I like to spray the top and the bottom so they don't like sink through the little holes in the air fryer, and like so they're like same fried consistency on both sides, so that you still get that like fried effect even though they're not being deep fried. So simple. So I'm just gonna put it in the air fryer. Just gonna put it in the air fryer for like 8 minutes on like 360 because I don't want them to cook too much and get too bready. I just want them to be perfect. So we're gonna go 360 and we're gonna go to 10 minutes. Can we just talk about how my high ass said 8 minutes and did 10? Stay tuned. I'm so fucking hype. So goddamn fucking hype.
Hey! We're going, baby. We're going up.
Say hi to the vlog. You've literally been crying.
We did it.
He's literally
Miami
been
finally
crying.
made the right move. They
Are
took
you
a
crying
chance.
still?
They took a chance. You
This
know,
is
we're
embarrassing.
taking him from Hawaii to South Beach. And, you know, we're coming for titles in the future. Maybe not right away. Give it a few years. But it's going down. Believe it.
That's good. That's great.
The Chargers are doomed.
I'm sweating. My armpits smell like the inside of a dirty beaver's butthole. Ow. Ow. Ah. Look, it's a little doughy at first, but they're delicious. Tip. Buy powdered sugar. It's like $1. Lasts forever and makes everything look bougie when it's not. Let me see it. Let me see the inside. Like burning all of your taste buds off.
Hot but fire.